If you're a travel enthusiast, you need to know about Australia's Pink Lake. It's a sight you won't believe. Nestled on Middle Island in Western Australia, Lake Hillier stands out with its striking bubblegum pink waters. But why is it pink? Scientists believe the color comes from tiny microorganisms, like algae and a pink-loving bacteria found in the lake's salty crusts. It's a fascinating blend of biology and chemistry at play. Want to see it for yourself? Hop on a scenic flight over Middle Island. The view of this pink gem is absolutely unforgettable. Hit like and follow for more amazing facts about Australia.